Welcome to our channel. Here's a simple apple cider vinegar morning routine drink recipe that is often claimed to help with weight loss and metabolism. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, i.e., 1 cup of warm water, not boiling, just comfortably warm. 1 teaspoon of honey, optional. For taste, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, optional. For taste, a pinch of ground cinnamon, optional. For flavor, Instructions 1E. Start by heating 1 cup of water. Make sure it's warm, not too hot, as extreme temperatures can potentially degrade the beneficial properties of apple cider vinegar. 2. Measure 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar and pour it into the warm water. 3. If you prefer a bit of sweetness and flavor, you can add 1 teaspoon of honey. Remember, this is optional, and adding too much honey could add unnecessary calories. 4. Squeeze a bit of fresh lemon juice into the mixture. Lemon juice can enhance the taste and provide some vitamin C, which might also help with metabolism. 5. Chavary. For an extra layer of flavor and potential metabolism boosting effects, add a pinch of ground cinnamon. Cinnamon is believed by some to have beneficial effects on blood sugar levels. 6. Stir the mixture thoroughly to ensure that the ingredients are well combined. 7. Drink this mixture on an empty stomach in the morning, ideally around 15-30 minutes before your breakfast. Drinking it before eating can help kickstart your metabolism for the day. Seem ready to shed those extra pounds and reclaim your confidence. Discover the proven secrets to natural weight loss and say goodbye to stubborn belly fat for good. Click the link in the video description below to access our exclusive guide and start your journey to a healthier, happier you. Don't wait. Your transformation begins now. If you found this review helpful, please keep this video in thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe my channel